Ziaur Rahman's image is Taraque Rahman. Martyred President Ziaur Rahman said, "I will make politics difficult for the politicians." Ziaur Rahman's words are being repeated in the political arena. Because the way Taraque Rahman started his second innings in politics, it may really become difficult for many politicians to do politics. Taraque Rahman has returned to Bangladesh after a long 17 years. As such, the BNP leader who returned to Britain has returned to his homeland only a month ago. From political analysts to ordinary people, this month has been full of surprises. Ordinary pants, white shirts, sometimes jeans, sneakers with jackets and hats. Instead of getting tired and getting bored with the hustle and bustle, there is a smile on his face. This may have been enough to make a place in the hearts of ordinary people. But Taraque Rahman has shown the common people more in the last 23 days. Not only in his mannerisms or body language, but also in Taraque Rahman's calm speech has caught the attention of the scholars. He has not yet uttered a detailed description of Sheikh Hasina's oppression and injustice, in the light of which he was in exile for 17 years. He has not yet spent a single word on the Awami League government's oppression of his family. On the contrary, he repeatedly talks about peace, order, and unity. The way he raises both hands and repeatedly responds to the greetings of the common people clearly reveals the image of martyred President Ziaur Rahman. The beginning of his return to his homeland was full of surprises. After 17 years, he stepped into his motherland, took off his shoes. Barefoot, he touched the soil of the country with his own hands. Instead of going to his sick mother first, he appeared among millions of people, for whom Begum Khalida Zia remained in Bangladesh despite enduring oppression and torture.
He stood silently at his father's grave and wiped his tears. He cried profusely after hearing the stories of his family members who were murdered. The entire nation has been connected to this very ordinary Taraque Rahman for the past month. The word "I" is rarely heard in Taraque Rahman's speeches. "We" has repeatedly echoed from his mouth. And this word "we" has given assurance to the minds of the conscious. New dreams have begun to be born with Taraque Rahman's leadership. According to the accountant's comments, Taraque Rahman was forced to leave the country at the age of 43. He returned to his homeland at the age of 60. The conscious say that Taraque Rahman, who had been fed up, is now very wise and wise. His foresight has been honed over time. Taraque Rahman is sitting in an ordinary chair, just as he is calling ordinary working people and listening to their complaints and grievances. He has given up his own chair for the common people to sit in. Just as he cried after hearing the brutal stories of his family members who were murdered, he also went to the July fighters and knelt down and listened to their words. When people in this country saw Canadian Justin Trudeau or Uruguayan President Jose Mujica, they often said regretfully, "If only our country's leaders were like this." But Taraque Rahman gave them a little peace of mind. People flocked to the funeral of Begum Khalida Zia, the leader of the country. Many thought that this was the most appropriate platform to tell the story of the torture and long speeches that were inflicted on her family to gain the sympathy of the common people. But Taraque Rahman surprised everyone and, like a very common person, only promised to repay his mother's debt and spoke of forgiveness. He did not say a single extra word. Instead of walking the path shown by ordinary politicians, he seemed to be walking the opposite path. And that is why those who are aware say that it may become quite difficult for politicians to do politics this time.
Whenever he is standing, when the call to prayer is given, he is leading everyone to prayer. He himself makes the imam of the mosque sit on a chair. The elder is making the common people sit on his chair. He is holding a microphone in his hand and asking the common people to speak. Bangladesh has not seen such beauty of politics for a long time. Taraque Rahman's critics may say that all this is being planned and done. There are many more things that can be said to criticize in order to win the hearts of the people. But if you think a little deeper, you will understand that such a script can never be created by planning. Rather, it can be said that after 17 years under British law, Taraque Rahman and his family have become full of discipline, manners, and far-sighted thoughts. However, after the official election campaign or public meeting began, Taraque Rahman's speeches have been somewhat aggressive, which has caught the attention of many people. Many people think that he could have done it if he had not thrown such sharp criticism at the opposing political parties. No one was a victim of disappearance or murder when the rice chief was in charge of running the country. But political analysts say otherwise. They believe that such an aggressive role is also needed to energize grassroots leaders and activists and to show that humility does not mean weakness. Just as it is necessary to show humility to the people, it is also necessary to widen your eyes a little to control your own party's leaders and activists. Just as not everything can be done with tolerance and humility, success does not always come through aggressive or harsh criticism. Analysts say that for now, in the evaluation of the past month, Taraque Rahaman's humility and aggressive role, which have been seen in the mix, one can only dream of a changed Bangladesh.